everyone, welcome to TVSL Mind. I will offer you the email secrets that create millionaires today without Guru Mushti. Worried about your future? Does the future terrify you? Do you belong to the I worry about the future community? Fret no more. There are 101 ways to protect your future. Health Insurance California. Individual Health Insurance California. Health insurance in California. California Health Insurance Plan. Today we are happy, healthy individuals. We are able to do the necessary tasks without any extra help. Life would be pleasant if it could continue just the way it is now, but then we have a future, the most unpredictable aspect in the whole cosmos. Some may argue that future is filled with suspense and we cannot control it. True, but then we have to put in a small amount of effort to safeguard our future. Equipping our lives with suitable amenities is no crime. So to avoid late realizations, it is better to grasp the situation and thus equip oneself. One way to accomplish this task is by taking insurance. The word insurance is certainly a golden one, as it can be a source of consolation if we are stuck in the middle of any tribulation. Assuming that you know a lot about insurances, we are going to stipulate one aspect of the insurance: long-term care. Long-term care. Every individual requires ample amount of care when he reaches a stage of not being able to take care of himself. The long-term care provides such assistance for the individual for performing his daily activities such as bathing, dressing, commuting and other indispensable activities. Why do I need long-term care? Some people, or perhaps many, consider that long-term care is just not for them. They hate the idea of being a burden to others, and they don't want to lose their independence, so they fail to take up the long-term care. This is the biggest mistake a person can make. Long-term care is necessary because we may be affected by any of these ailments: arthritis, cancer, heart disease, diabetes, strokes, Alzheimer's disease, depression. Do not panic. These are the various possible ailments one can face when they enter an old age. This may happen to anyone, and wouldn't it be better if everyone takes up the precautionary measure? Long-term insurance is actually a very helpful feature. Avoiding this will not make any sense later in life. The long-term insurance provides a lot of benefits like home health care, where you will be provided with good personal care while you are at home. Community care or adult day care. As the name suggests, you can get care from a community care center. If a person is seriously ill or if he needs regular hospital care, he can obtain the nursing home care. The hospice care. Caregiver training and care coordination services are the other benefits for which the long-term care would pay for. There are two kinds of long-term care insurances: the individual long-term care and the group long-term care. As the name suggests, the individual long-term care insurance involves the insurer and the insured person. These kind of individual health policies need to be approved by the California Department of Insurance, whereas group health policy involves a group and the insurer. Normally, group insurances are always priced less than the individual policies. The same applies here too. Thus, we have to develop a positive attitude towards the future. This does not mean that you have to frighten yourselves and thus panic about your future. Careful planning and implementation of those plans would prove to be very helpful. It is better not to complicate matters just by saying that these ailments will not affect you. All these decisions of not taking up the long health care may seem to be convincing now. But the future awaits and it might offer anything, so isn't it better to prepare ourselves for the worst and thus lead our lives peacefully? See you again. Thank you very much for coming to this channel.